What's up guys? In today's video, I'll show you how to create an Airwallex account. So, let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Airwallex. Then open the official website. Once you're on the homepage, click Sign Up. If you only see the login page, scroll down and select the Sign Up option at the bottom. Next, enter your business email address. If you like to receive marketing emails from Airwallex, you can leave the checkbox enabled. Otherwise, you can uncheck it. Once you're done, click Get Started. After that, you'll be asked a few questions about your business. Select your company size, estimated transaction volume, and your primary reason for using Airwallex. You may also see optional questions about other products you're interested in, which you can answer or simply skip. Now, enter your legal first name, legal last name, and create a secure password for your account. Next, provide your business name, select your business headquarters location, and enter your mobile phone number. Airwallex will then send a verification code to your phone. Enter the code to verify your number. Once the verification is complete, your account will be created successfully. You can either activate your account by completing the remaining verification steps or explore Airwallex dashboard and finish the setup later. And that's it. That's how you can create an Airwallex account. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you did, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.